General Knowledge Classics Chapter 1 International Borders. Let us start with an introduction. International borders controls the movement of people and goods inside and outside the country. International border, or you can say it boundary also. A boundary is some sort of barrier that limits the separation between two different areas. Our country India shares land borders with 7 countries including India Bhutan border, India Bangladesh border, India China border, India Afghanistan border, India Myanmar border, India Nepal border, India Pakistan border. There are 93 international borders around the world. Let's have a look on some of the borders. Number 1, India Pakistan border. The lowering of flag ceremony at the Atari Wagha border, a daily military practice, is followed here since 1959. India Pakistan border, known locally as international borders running between India and Pakistan, it can be seen from space at night due to floodlights installed by India on about 50,000 ports. India and Pakistan border, also called Red Cliff Line, which is the boundary demarcation between India and Pakistan, established on 17 August 1949. Red Cliff is named after its architect Sir Cyril Redcliffe. 2. Italy and Vatican City. The entrance to the famous St. Peter's Square mark this border. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, encircled by 2-mile borders with Italy. Vatican City is governed as an absolute monarchy with the Pope as its head. Number 3. Austria, Hungary and Slovakia borders. A picnic table marks the location of this border. The border between Hungary, Slovakia, at a length of 677 km, begins in the west, formed by Hungarian, Slovak, and Austrian. Number 4. USA and Canada border. This is the longest international border in the world. The Canada United States border is officially known as International Boundary. This is the largest unmilitarized international border in the world, shared between Canada and United States. Number 5. Norway and Sweden border. Trees were removed to mark this border. The Norway-Sweden border is 1630 km long land. Number 6. Netherlands and Belgium border. This is the most confusing border in the world. The Netherlands and Belgium border separates Belgium and Netherlands. It is 450 km long. This means there is no permanent border control at this border. Number 7. China-Nepal border. The highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, marks this border. The border between China and Nepal is 1414 km inland. The mountain range, the Himalayas, extend northwest southwest direction, separating the south of Tibet autonomous region of China and territory of the Nepal. This border passes through the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. Number 8. Argentina-Chile border. The statue of Jesus Christ is located here as a symbol of peace between two countries. The Argentina-Chile border is the longest international border of South America and third largest in the world, after Canada and United States border with the length of 5150 km. It separates Argentina from Chile. So students, hope you all have understood this chapter. Solve the exercise and learn it. Thank you.